What's up, guys? It's the Milkman here, and today we're going to be installing a REMARK exhaust onto my 2020 Subaru Impreza WRX STI, and let's get to it. All right, so here's the REMARK exhaust. It's an axle back with 4-inch tips. We're just going to be taking it out of the box right now. Setting it to the side. Tape. Included in this exhaust here, there is a license plate cover. There's gaskets, new mounts, and then new bolts, but we're just going to use the old ones because there's no point. All right, now that we have everything unboxed and laid out, let's get into the install. So to install this exhaust, like I said, it's just the axle back. So there's 2 brackets and then 2 bolts, and that's pretty much it. So right now we're just trying to get the good fit to get it to line up over here with the bumper and with the actual Y pipe itself. But I got it in these brackets pretty easily. Let's just get the gasket, get that. So I'm using the simple green because I don't have any WD-40 to help slide these brackets on easier. Pop that one in first, this one in second. And where's my gasket? My bolt. right, so now it's time for the cold startup on the 2020 Subaru Impreza WRX STI with the REMARK axle back exhaust with the 4-inch tips.